In example 3, we're going to decide how much salsa is missing from this jar. So you're going to need to find volume because it's what's inside of it. So we'll find the base, which is a circle, and times it by the height. The empty space in the jar is a cylinder with a height of 10 minus 4 because it's the whole height minus the 4 that's in there. So it's going to equal 6 centimeters and the radius of 5. So your base and your height, you're going to take your 5 radius squared times pi times just the 6 because we want to know the empty space, not the whole jar. So your 5 squared is 25 and 6 of those is 150 pi, or it's approximately equal to 471. You do get to use a calculator in there. So it's 471 cubic centimeters of salsa is missing from the jar. Remember, you can also write cm for centimeters and put an exponent of 3 on the top. The next one I'd like to show you is example 4. And this is about how many gallons of water does the water cooler bottle contain? And it says basically that 1 foot cubed is approximately equal to 7.5 gallons. And so we have to then decide, find the volume of the cylinder. So if we're doing that, the diameter is 1 foot, so the radius is a half of a foot. So you've got your base times your height, so it's a half foot squared times pi times the height is 1.7. So you do the math of zero point 0.5 times zero point 0.5 times 1.7, and you get this pi. And then you take it times pi, and this is the number. And so we want to know about how many. So you take a look at your choices up there. That's cubic feet of water. To find the number of gallons it contains, you have to multiply by the conversion factor of 7.5 gallons over 1 cubic foot. So you've got this number times your 7.5 gallons over 1 cubic foot. The feet will cancel. You're just multiplying those two numbers, and it's about 10 gallons. So the answer is B. If you think you understand these last two, you can click next to try some on your own.